Hi folks, I'm Sean McCormick and welcome to the Lightroom blog channel, where we talk about things Adobe related. Today we're going to talk about a little tip for panels inside Lightroom. Hey folks, before we jump into a very short tip this week, I have a series coming up where I'm going to do a lot more complex stuff in the coming weeks, catalog related stuff and workflow stuff specifically. But right now I'm just going to give you a little bit of news that I just got, and hopefully this won't be too reflective as well. On Sunday it was the Irish Professional Photographer and Videographer Association's Awards, and hopefully you can see that. I'll move the microphone maybe. And so hopefully you can see that there, and there's not too much reflection. So I won the Chairman's Award, which is an award given for people that they felt has made the most improvement, or with entries to awards and stuff like that they've seen the most progress with. So I'm delighted to get it. I was quite speechless. I didn't win anything in any of the categories, but I was delighted to get that award. It's always nice to get something. So folks, on to Lightroom itself. So here we have a shot. The shot is just there for something pretty to show in this. Shot of model Annika. And so what this is we know that we now have the profiles up here at the top of the basic panel. So that means that the only reason you'd have to go to calibration here would have been for that. And you say, oh, but your process version there as well. Yeah, but you know, that's up in settings there anyway, so it's easy enough to get at. So in actual fact, if you never touch these, which pretty much nobody does, let's say you wanted to hide that panel altogether. Well, what you can do is if you right click on the panel, you get these series of lists of what's in the panels with a little tick beside them. So if you click on the tick, it's gone. It's hidden away. Now what sometimes happens is with the basic panel, people are messing around and right clicking and they accidentally hit on that and it goes away. And this has been a problem in the forums. So how to fix it is you just right click on any other panel and you're able to select that. So it doesn't really matter what panel that you're clicking on. When you right click, the one you've right clicked is the one that has the little star beside it, and you can turn them back on again. So if you wanted to get rid of calibration, for example, you could hide that and not see it ever again. The other thing that is in there as well, if we notice, we have solo mode. So just very quickly what solo mode is. In solo mode, when solo mode is off, when you open a panel, loads of panels will open up. Okay? However, if you are in solo mode, only the current selected panel will open. And you can also do this by Alt or Option clicking on a panel header. So that allows it to change. And if a panel click, I've just Option clicked again, and that will make it go away back to solo mode. So you only see one panel at a time in solo mode. So folks, hopefully you liked that video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't. It looks like I've only got about 12.5% of people viewing videos have subscribed. So please do that. Of course, you know, share it with your friends. That helps too as well. I also have photography stuff on my other channel, Sean McCormick, which is only brand new. 130 subscribers on that at the moment. I could do with building up, getting 1,000 on. So I'm going to put somewhere over here, there'll be a subscribe link for that one, and or for the channel, and for this one here as well. So please do subscribe. Folks, I will see you in the next video. See you then.